Advantages and disadvantages of a stainless steel kitchen. Dear friends, most people associate stainless steel with commercial kitchens. From restaurants to hotels, these are the places you think of when you hear the term stainless steel kitchen. But that's not entirely true. In the last couple of years, stainless steel style kitchens have been making their way into homes as well. They're not only dominating the latest kitchen trends but also a default choice when building modern-day houses. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of stainless steel kitchen. Advantages of stainless steel kitchen. 1. The stainless steel cabinet countertop is seamless and will never crack. 2. It is environmentally friendly as it does not contain synthetic epoxy resin or emit radiation like natural granite. 3. The integrated design of the sink, backsplash, and countertop gives a sleek and hygienic appearance with no gaps for bacteria to grow. 4. It is fire resistant and can withstand the heat from hot pots and pans, ensuring safety in the kitchen. 5. The excellent impermeability of stainless steel allows for easy cleanup, with spills and stains effortlessly wiped away without any trace. 6. Its high impact resistance and strong hardness make it highly durable, even if a cooking pan accidentally falls on the countertop. 7. Cleaning is a breeze. A simple wipe with a damp cloth and mild detergent restores the stainless steel countertop to its shiny, new-like condition. 8. Stainless steel cabinets do not discolor or age over time, unlike many other materials. Furthermore, they are recyclable, reducing environmental impact. 9. Stainless steel used in cabinets meets National Food Grade Safety Certification standards, ensuring chemical stability and making it a safe choice for kitchen use. Disadvantages of a stainless steel kitchen. 1. Stainless steel cabinets may give off a visually rigid and cold impression. 2. The corners and joints of the cabinet lack effective treatment, making them prone to irreversible scratches. 3. Small scratches can easily trap dirt, necessitating extra care during regular cleaning. 4. Domestic stainless steel countertops may experience oxidation issues, resulting in noticeable differences in quality compared to higher-priced imported alternatives. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.